everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can split and attach large documents from Lone Wolf into Command. So if you have multiple forms that are all merged together in one document that are all signed together and they are uploaded to your Lone Wolf as one big PDF, or maybe it's a big PDF that you uploaded to Lone Wolf and you had signed, and now you need to upload it and split it into the proper compliance checklist items within the opportunity. You can do that, and we can do it pretty simply. So I'm going to walk you through how to do that. Go ahead. I've signed into Command, which is agent.kw.com. I've signed in with my KW login credentials. I am in the opportunity that I want. And I do also already have the transaction pulled up. So if you're not having a transaction, if you don't have the transact pulled up already, you can just click go to transact right here, and it will pull it over for you. So we'll give it a second to load here. So then we can go down, you can see we have our signed documents here. So anything that you need to upload, we can click on that and look at this. So this one only has one page, so that's not going to be the great example here. Let's see here. This one has multiple pages, so we'll go with this one. So obviously this is one file. I don't actually, I wouldn't ordinarily want to actually split that up, but if you need to, again, if you have multiple documents in the same one or anything like that, you can split it, and I'm just going to walk you through how to do it. It is just a demo example here, so you don't have to do that, but if you need to, it's a great way to. So I'm going to go over here to my transaction, and I'm going to click these three dots right here next to attach files from Lone Wolf Transact in the working folder. I'm going to click these three dots, and I'm going to click split and attach PDF. It's then going to ask me the source. So if we need to upload files from our computer that we need to split and attach from our computer, if we have one big PDF on our computer we need to do that for, you can absolutely do that. I'm going to go with Lone Wolf Transact for today's example. And then from there, we can select from the drop-down menu which document we need to use. So I'm going to use this one right here. I believe that's the one we just looked at. So I'm going to select it, and then I'm going to click next. So it's going to pull it in as a PDF. And so then we can go through and we can see all of our pages here. We have 7 pages, so we need to make sure those are split properly. You can go through all of the individual pages and choose what pages you're needing. So we could say, maybe for the first one, we just need pages 1 to 2. And so I'm going to click right here, attach pages 2, and I'm going to choose the checklist item that I need to upload it to. Now, for today's example, I'm just uploading it to miscellaneous because, again, it's just a sample, but you can choose whichever compliance checklist item you need it for. And then we're going to choose our page range. So I'm going to choose 1 to 2, and then I am going to, our new document name, I'm going to go ahead and use a name, create a name. So if you need to create a specific name, so if this were, for example, we have our exclusive right to sell listing agreement. If we were uploading it to that file, I believe we already have something in that folder on this opportunity, which is why I can't pick that one. But we would be able to name the first PDF exclusive right to sell, and then we could go in, we can attach more pages. Again, we'll choose where we're choosing to attach it to. So we can go in, we'll choose another miscellaneous, and we can say pages 3 to, how many pages did we have here? We'll go 3 to 6. And then I'm just going to rename that here. And then we'll go ahead and click attach more pages, and we'll go ahead and choose third miscellaneous. And we'll choose our final page, page 7. So we have all of our pages are in here, and we'll go ahead to our new document name, and we'll just add in what we need here. And then we'll go ahead and we'll click split and attach selected. It'll take a second. It'll tell you it's successfully split, and you will see it automatically pop in here with the names that we put in. So we have our exclusive right to sell, we have PDF 2, and we have page 7. So it renamed it, it went ahead and uploaded it for us. We can click on that and we can see that it is just pages 1 and 2, like we told it to do. We can go over to our second one. We can see that it's pages 3 through 6. So that's how we had it. And then we can also see page 7 is just going to be page 7. So that is how you split and attach large documents from Lone Wolf into separate compliance checklist items within your opportunity in Command. If you have any questions or if you run into any snags with any of this, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. We are always here to help out. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.